Hey everybody, how's it going today? Justin, the Red Island Shaver with the weekend video, and yes, this is the video I was tagged in that I guess pretty much everybody has already done. I'm late to the party as usual because of my upload schedule. It is the two razor at the same time shave. So the soap for today is going to be First Canadian Kink, because anytime there is some kind of a kinky razor challenge, got to use a kinky soap. This is one of my favorite scents in the den. It is leather, dirt. There's vetiver in here, bourbon, coffee, just a great scent. Brush for today is going to be the Murdoch by Spiffo 24mm Luxedo knot. So just a little bit more luxurious than your run-of-the-mill tuxedo knot. And this is loaded already. With this First Canadian soap, little dab will do ya. So, very professional. I will drop that on my foot and put that off to the side, and away we go. So, get this painted on, and then get some water into it. This is version 2. It is not the new goat milk formula. So it loads easily, goes on just a little bit pasty if you overload the brush like I did, but once you add a little bit of water and start splaying the tips, it starts coming together quite quickly. Nice amount of scrub on this brush too. And this is going to take a fair bit of water. I'll work it in as quickly as possible. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Mine's going pretty good so far. Can't really think of anybody to tag in this video, so pretty much everybody has done this challenge, so this may die with me. What do you guys think? I'm thinking there's really nobody left to tag. Pretty much everybody has gotten their hands on this one. Nice quick lather. You can hear the lather landing everywhere around here. It's on my shirt. It's par for the course. Coming together quite nice in that brush. A lot on the flow through, a lot on my hand. Make stuff nice and greasy. This is a phenomenal scent though. Man, oh man, I love this scent. I think just a little bit more water. And scoop that up, another big glob of lather. And I think we're there. When she starts flying off the brush at you, you start making a big old mess, you're done. Yeah, look at that. Lather for days. Quick to load, quick to lather. What more do you want? Oh yeah, the slickness is off the charts too. So, that's what you want, right? All right, so get the hands dried off, both hands. 4 minutes. 4 minutes for a lather. How's that? Almost think you knew what I was doing. So the two razors I'm going to use going to be the tale of two TTOs. Say that 5 times fast. The Fat Boy, loaded with an Astra for continuity, because I have the Parker 99R, also loaded with an Astra. These are both Astra greens. So this should be interesting. I can only see one side of my face at a time. Probably going to get cut. So get the razor on one side, razor on the other. And I'll just have to switch my eyeballs back and forth between each side. Not so bad. First pass done. Is that what you came for to see? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Although I find it fairly easy motion-wise to do it at the same time. Because I'm a drummer. So I can move my hands independently of one another. So it's not too hard. And we'll get lathered up again. Go back in for some more. All right. So I'm gonna go backhand with this one. This is fun. Just get everything spun around here. Good times. Very good times. And that's where I'm going to go with that for the challenge. So I'm going to do the third pass off the camera. Make this a short little video. So I'm going to get this rinsed off. I'm going to do the third pass. I may have cut myself there. I don't know. I can't tell. I can't see if I'm bleeding or not. So while I'm doing the third pass, there will be another short little video playing for your viewing pleasure, and that is going to be the giveaway for my big box of wonderness. So what I did for that was I just used the screen record on my phone, went into a YouTube randomizer, and copied the video in, and away you go. So you guys can stay tuned and watch that, and I will be back with the post. We'll see you in a few minutes. All right, and we're back. So, congratulations, JB over at Distorted Edge Shaving. You have won the big box of wonderness. So, because I'm a procrastinator, I forgot to shampoo those brushes, so I will shampoo them this weekend. And send me a message on Facebook through Messenger, since we're Facebook friends, and give me your address, and I will get that out to you this week. So once again, congratulations, my man. I hope you like everything in the package. Also, I'd like to thank everybody for saying they're in for the giveaway and following along with the channel. I do appreciate the continued support. If we hit 300, there will be another one. So, third pass is done. Just used one razor for that. Had to treat a cut over here, a little boo-boo with some styptic because I cut myself. And the splash will be First Canadian Kink. And this is a witch hazel based splash. So no alcohol, which is good because I have a feeling I would be feeling the alcohol after that shave. Wasn't the smoothest shave in the world. It was pretty good, but I think I got a little deep on a couple spots there, so pretty hard to control your angle and pressure with two hands at the same time. Other than that, it was a decent shave. And this stuff smells absolutely wonderful. There's great staying power too. There's no doubt in my mind that I'll still be smelling this later on this evening. And possibly even tomorrow morning. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And so yeah, once again, congratulations to JB over at Distorted Edge Shaving. Send me a message, brother, and we'll get your address, and we'll start getting that packaged up and ready to go out. That's it for this weekend, everybody. Thanks for watching. And as always, friends, have a great day and even better shave. And we will catch you in the next one. Bye.